Hey there, Uber Eats fans. Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop guide for all things Uber Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account using the website. This is a great way to use those gift cards you have lying around to pay for your favorite meals. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Uber Eats website. Click on the three lines and from the drop-down menu, select Wallet to navigate to the Payment Methods page. On this page, you will see an option to add payment method. After you click Payment Method, a new window will pop up asking you to enter your payment details. Select a credit or debit card as the payment type. Now, grab your Visa card and carefully enter your card number, expiry date, security code, country, zip code, and your nickname, and click on Add Card. And that's it. Adding a Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account is quick and easy, allowing you to use your gift card balance to order delicious meals. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Got questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.